Another day, another story. In the dynamic realm of finance and investment, trading strategies stand as the pillars that support successful trading endeavors. At the crossroads of risk and reward, crafting and executing the right trading strategies can significantly impact your bottom line. Welcome to a comprehensive exploration of the art and science behind trading strategies that can propel you ahead of the competition. Understanding trading strategies. Trading strategies serve as the blueprints for navigating the intricate world of financial markets. Effective trading strategies are more than mere plans. They are well thought out methodologies that consider market trends, risk tolerance, and potential for gains. These strategies offer the roadmap traders need to make informed decisions, seize opportunities, and mitigate risks. Key elements of a winning trading strategy. Market analysis and research. A solid trading strategy begins with an in-depth analysis of the market. Whether it's stocks, forex, or commodities, understanding market trends, historical data, and economic indicators empowers traders to make well-informed decisions. Our approach to trading strategies integrates thorough market research to ensure every move is backed by data-driven insights. Risk management. Mitigating risks is paramount in trading. Our strategies emphasize effective risk management techniques such as setting stop loss and take profit levels. This safeguard ensures that even in a volatile market, potential losses are controlled and gains are maximized. Entry and exit points. The timing of trade entry and exit greatly influences profitability. Our strategies meticulously pinpoint optimal entry and exit points based on technical analysis, ensuring that you enter trades at favorable prices and exit with the desired gains. Diversification. Spreading investments across different assets minimizes exposure to single-point failures. Our trading strategies incorporate diversification to reduce risks associated with market fluctuations. Tailoring strategies to your profile. No two traders are alike, and that's why we emphasize the importance of customized trading strategies. Your risk appetite, investment goals, and market preferences are unique. Our expert team takes the time to understand your needs, crafting strategies that align with your profile. This personalized approach amplifies your chances of success and maximizes your returns. Staying ahead with technological advancements. The realm of trading is rapidly evolving, and technology is at the forefront of this transformation. We harness cutting-edge tools and platforms to augment our trading strategies. Automated trading systems, artificial intelligence, and machine learning algorithms are seamlessly integrated to identify patterns, predict market movements, and execute trades with precision. Continuous learning and adaptation. In the ever-changing landscape of finance, adaptability is key. Our commitment to continuous learning ensures that our trading strategies evolve alongside market dynamics. We stay ahead of trends, incorporate new insights, and fine-tune our methodologies to keep your portfolio resilient and responsive to change. Unleash your trading potential. In the realm of trading, success is not accidental, it's strategic. Our unwavering commitment to crafting and implementing effective trading strategies sets us apart from the competition. Join us in unlocking the potential of your investments, as we guide you through the complex world of finance with precision, expertise, and a track record of excellence. Stop leaving your success to chance. Contact us today and embark on a journey towards consistent trading success with our tailor-made strategies.